What does a normal lunch look like in a small Chinese city? Today, I'm preparing lunch for my family of 3. This is not a special meal, just an ordinary lunch from our daily life. For many families in China, cooking at home is still a big part of everyday life. Fresh ingredients and simple cooking can create a comforting meal. Today, I'm making some simple, homemade dishes. There is nothing fancy, just food we usually eat at home. I live in a small city in China. Life here is not as fast-paced as in big cities. Many families still enjoy cooking and eating together at home. This is our lunch for today. A simple, homemade meal, but full of familiar flavors. This is just a small moment from everyday life in China. Thank you for joining me for this simple lunch.